Imagine transforming your YouTube videos from good to unforgettable, the kind that hook viewers instantly, boost watch time, and skyrocket your growth. What if I told you that the secret isn't just your content, but the perfect soundtrack that emotionally pulls your audience in? Stick with me because today I'm revealing the 2026 updated rules for using copyrighted music on YouTube and across all major platforms, so you can create like a pro without the fear of claims, strikes, or lost revenue. If you're ready to level up your videos with confidence, hit that like button and let's dive in. Disclaimers. Before we begin, a quick note. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a lawyer, and nothing here constitutes legal, financial, or professional advice. Copyright laws and platform policies can change, so always verify the latest rules directly on each platform and consult a qualified attorney for your specific situation. We're not responsible for any actions you take based on this content. Let's keep things fun, informative, and responsible. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abundance Calling, and as someone who's viewed thousands of creators around the wild world of content creation, I've seen music make or break videos. In 2026, YouTube systems are smarter than ever with advanced content ID, AI detection for remixes, speed changes, and even background audio. But don't worry, I'm breaking it all down step by step so you can use music legally and effectively. Step 1. Understand YouTube's core system in 2026. YouTube uses Content ID, an automated scanner that matches audio and sometimes video against a massive database of copyrighted material. When it finds a match, claim. The rights holder can monetize your video. They take ad revenue, track views, or block it in certain regions. Strike. Rare for first offenses, but can lead to channel issues if repeated. Major 2026 updates. AI detection is stricter on altered tracks. Shorts under 60 seconds with trending audio from the library are often safer, but longer videos or lives trigger claims more aggressively. The 60-second rule for certain licensed shorts audio is key. Exceed it at your peril. Step 2. Legal ways to use music on YouTube. Option 1. YouTube Audio Library. Completely free, royalty-free, and safe for monetization. Search by mood, genre, or instrument. Perfect starting point. Option 2. Licensed music services, like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, or similar. These offer YouTube-safe licenses. Upload your video, and claims are often auto-cleared. Great for consistent creators. Option 3. Fair use. For commentary, criticism, education, or transformative content. It's short clips with heavy analysis. It's not a free pass. Transform it significantly and keep it minimal. Option 4. Original music or public domain. Create your own or use very old tracks. Option 5. Direct permission. Contact the owner, but this is time-consuming. Pro tip. Always test uploads privately or use YouTube's copyright check tools before going public. Step 3. What changed in 2026 on YouTube? Compared to previous years, enforcement is faster and smarter with AI spotting pitched/sped up tracks. Revenue sharing for some AI-generated music is clearer, but disclosure rules tightened. Monetization risks are higher for uncleared commercial-sounding tracks. Overall, safer options like platform libraries and subscriptions are emphasized more. Step 4. Changes across other social media platforms. 2026 updates. Now let's compare platforms step by step. Rules evolve with licensing deals, so this is current as of mid-2026. TikTok. Strong licensed library for personal creator use. Short-form focus, 60-second music clips common. 2026 changes include stricter live stream rules, only approved or royalty-free music for lives, unlicensed can mute in real time. Commercial accounts have limited libraries. Good for viral trends, but less freedom for full songs or monetized long content. Instagram Reels. Personal accounts get broader access to popular songs. Business brand accounts are more restricted to royalty-free, RF-marked tracks. 2026 enforcement stricter with AI fingerprinting. Quicker mutes on business posts, especially promotional or boosted content. Can't easily promote Reels with copyrighted music. Shorter clips recommended. Facebook/Meta. Similar to Instagram, guidelines stress visual content over pure music listening. Shorter clips better, full tracks risk limits. Commercial use needs proper licenses. Revenue share options exist, but with restrictions, e.g. under 90 seconds for some monetization. YouTube, including Shorts, offers the most robust tools, audio library, content ID disputes, clear licensing paths. Better for long-form monetization and appeals. AI tools and safe listing with services like Epidemic Sound provide strong protection. So then, the question is, which platform allows more freedom? YouTube generally gives creators the most freedom and tools for copyrighted or licensed music, especially for serious channels focused on growth and revenue. Its ecosystem supports fair use better, has better dispute processes, and integrates paid licenses seamlessly. TikTok and Instagram shine for quick, fun short form with their libraries, but clamp down harder on commercial intent or longer use. For maximum flexibility without constant worry, YouTube, plus a good royalty-free subscription wins. Additional pro bonus tips, best practices for all platforms. Prefer platform libraries or paid services. Keep music supportive, not dominant. For cross-posting, edit audio per platform. Monitor analytics for claims and dispute valid fair uses promptly. Stay original. Your voice plus custom sound is unbeatable. You now hold the expert knowledge to create videos that don't just play, they resonate, captivate, and build your empire without unnecessary risks. Feel the confidence flowing through you as you experiment safely, grow your audience, and express your creativity fully. If this helped, smash subscribe, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway or music question, and share this with a fellow creator who needs it. Remember, the best content comes from informed action. Go make something amazing today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired. Script optimization notes for you. Total length, aim for 8 to 212 minutes spoken naturally. TTCS, use pauses after steps/disclaimers. Emphasize benefits with enthusiastic tone. Visuals, pair with screen recordings of audio library, policy screenshots, B-roll of editing. SEO, title as given, tags include 2026 rules, no copyright claims, etc. Call to action, strong in outro for engagement. This script positions you as the expert while being clear, actionable, and compliant. Update with any brand new policy shifts.